Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis. On the 1-hour chart, we remain in positive MACD, but we're approaching to negative MACD territory. We have yet to test the 50 moving average, this yellow line at a price of $47.31. With the 4-hour chart, we still remain in positive MACD, but we're seeing signs of a diverge. As we extend out to the daily chart, we still remain in negative MACD territory, but we're still approaching to positive MACD. As for the trade idea of the week, my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $43.77. My sell target is at $50.36. And my stop loss is at $41.66. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $52.31. My sell target is at $46.10, and my stop loss is at $54.42. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold miners has a 55% chance to climb between 0 to 9%. To the downside, it has a 36% chance to fall between 0 to negative 9%. Further extreme case to the downside, a 9% chance to fall between negative 9 to negative 18%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.